What if ignoring sustainability risks today could cost your company tomorrow? Or how much value is your business leaving on the table by not really integrating sustainability? Kia ora, my name is Sydney Straver. I'm the Managing Director of Bloom Sustainability and ESG. With a team of 8 sustainability professionals, we help businesses embed and integrate sustainability into their business strategies to lower risks and work towards becoming future-proof, resilient businesses. Today, I really want to talk about sustainability and this buzzword called ESG, and really make sure you understand how these are a practical framework that helps businesses navigate risks and seize opportunities in today's fast-changing world. Sustainability is about meeting the needs of the present without compromising the needs of future generations. There's a lot of things happening in our world today that really strengthen the need for organizations to work on sustainability. Think about changing climate, think about rising energy costs, think about talent changing their preferences for work, data security and privacy, changing regulations and complex supply chains, all these things that impact your business on a day-to-day basis. To translate this buzzword of sustainability into the organizational setting, we use this term called ESG, which stands for environmental, social, and governance. It's really a way to look beyond financial performance and understand the broader factors that impact long-term success of your business. Under this ESG framework, environmental considerations stand for climate change, resource use, energy consumption, how you handle nature, biodiversity loss, circularity principles, emissions. The social factors are more about, product quality and safety, handling and managing your people, your talent, ensuring health, safety, and well-being, but also local communities. And then finally, besides these environmental and social factors, it's also about governance factors, focusing on board oversight, supply chain control, data management, business resilience, data management. So really broad and kind of, really broad to help you understand what are key factors that impact the long-term success of our business. So in short, sustainability is really a broad term, but we use this term ESG to help us create a lens to see risks before they become crises and to identify opportunities before competitors do so. Companies today face more complex risks than ever. We've got regulatory changes, we've got climate events, reputational issues, and kind of shifting stakeholder expectations. And by integrating this framework of ESG into your business, you can really identify these risks early, anticipate them, and work to reduce them. So for example, you can understand your environmental impact, and that can reduce exposure to climate-related disruptions. And if you have strong governance, that reduces the likelihood of ethical failures or compliance issues. And if you've got good social oversight, you're able to maintain workforce stability and really strengthen the relationships with your stakeholders internally, but also externally. But ESG is not just about avoiding risks, it's also about opportunities. And companies that innovate sustainably can access new markets, attract new talent, charge a price premium, and also improve operational efficiency. There's various cost levers and value drivers that go hand in hand with this if ESG is embedded in the business well. Investors also increasingly reward businesses that have strong ESG credentials, and consumers are also choosing brands that align with their values. And we are really seeing that they're willing to pay a premium price to select brands that really align with their values. So in essence, ESG really allows you to create this long-term value while also making a positive impact on the environment and the society. Sustainability is much more than just a compliance obligation in many jurisdictions of the world. In Australia, we've got mandatory climate reporting. In Europe, there's mandatory sustainability reporting. And in many parts of Asia and other parts of the world, regulation is also being enforced. But it's much more than that. It's much more than a compliance exercise. It's really a strategic tool to understand and act on various impacts, risks, and opportunities and seize these to reduce risks, but also position yourself better to grow and secure your license to grow in the future. So the question is not whether sustainability matters, but it's about how you're going to use it to shape your future.